everyone, today I am going to start from your grade 8 geography book. I am going to start from the first lesson, that is the solar system. Okay Putala, now from this lesson you can be able to learn about composition of sun, especially function of the solar system. So I am adding some video clip with these lessons because then only you will get clear image about the lesson. And you can be able to learn about the sun, composition of the sun, about the solar system and the 8 planets. So especially you can learn about the space. Okay, let's get started. Have you carefully observed the sun, the moon and the other celestial bodies in the sky? The better thing is for daytime you also go out and you have to check the sun, and night time also you have to go out and you have to observe the sky. That's the thing you have to do. There are 2 activities you have to do. What you have to do, the first is you have to go outside in night time and you have to observe the sky. And the daytime also you have to go outside and you have to observe the sun. There are 2 activities for you. So there's evidence that man had shown an interest in knowing about them since ancient time. Have you heard about the people who lived in cave season, Putala? Those people we are calling our ancient people. So they did not have modern equipment like us. So when in night times also they used stars and moon to find the way. When they are traveling here and there in night time, so they use stars and moons. But modern people, at present man can explore more than what is visible to the naked eye, as scientists have invented modern equipment to observe the sky. Now you have telescopes and each and everything to observe the sky. Then you can get a clear image. What is the star? What is the moon? So what is the shape? Then you can get a close image of those things. It had been discovered that there are 8 planets. Okay, how many planets are there? There are 8 planets. Shapeless pieces of planets are called asteroids. Okay, they are shapeless pieces. They don't have proper shapes. So those things we are calling asteroids. Various celestial bodies such as dwarf planets and natural satellites revolving around the sun. Okay, just go to your grade 7 first lesson. So then you can get a clear image of what is revolution and what is rotation. The revolution, what is the meaning of revolution? The journey around the sun. The earth is moving, while the earth is moving around its own axis, the earth is moving around the sun. It's called the revolution. So these celestial bodies such as dwarf planets and natural satellites revolving around the sun, the journey around the sun. When all these things are taken together, we consider it as a system. Okay, there are many things in the sky, but that one also a system. That is a system. It's called the solar system. What is the name of that system? It is a solar system. It is believed that the solar system has been formed 4,600 million years ago by combining dust particles and gases together. Okay, so this is considered as a system, right? So it is believed that the solar system has been formed how many years ago? 4,600 million years ago. Underline, this is really important. By combining dust particles and gases together. Combining dust particles, and have you seen dust particles? When you sweep the compound, when you sweep the floor, then you can see some dust particles, right? So, and the dust particles and gases together, they made the solar system. Okay. Then we observe the night sky with our naked eye. We can see a multitude of stars. Okay. As I told you already, Putala, you all have to go outside in night time, so you can see many stars. Can you remember this song? Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Okay. Stars are twinkling. That means there are celestial bodies that emit light and heat. That means the stars are celestial bodies. Stars are celestial bodies that emit light and heat. That means they are giving light and especially heat. Thus, they are sources of energy. Just when we are looking at stars, we feel just like we feel fun, right? But they are sources of energy. They can be seen shining or twinkling in the night sky. Okay, how can we identify stars and planet? So stars, they are shining and twinkling in the night sky. Then we can get a clear idea about what is the star and what is the planet, because planets are not twinkling in the night sky while stars are shining and twinkling in the night sky. However, the other celestial bodies such as planets, natural satellites and asteroids, though they do not emit light, as I told you already, however, the other celestial bodies just like planets, natural satellites and asteroids, so they do not emit light just like stars. They do not emit light, are visible in the night sky as they reflect the sunlight. Yes, they are visible in the night sky as they reflect the sunlight. However, the other celestial bodies such as planets, natural satellites and asteroids, though they do not emit light, are visible in the night sky as they reflect the sunlight. Okay, Putala, I told you it already, because while stars are shining and twinkling, but these celestial bodies such as planets, natural satellites and asteroids, that means they do not emit light, and they are visible in the night skies as they reflect the sunlight, because usually sun, that means sun is just like a fireball, right? Sun has, we can't tell about the power of the sun. Okay, so sun reflect the sunlight for those celestial bodies in night time, just like, okay, now if you take a mirror and if you turn it into sunlight, then you see the reflect, right? You see the reflected. Likewise, these celestial bodies such as planets, natural satellites and asteroids, so those things they reflect the sunlight, so then you can see those celestial bodies in night sky, but they are not twinkling and they are not shining in the sky. They are just, you can see them. They are seen with the monotonous light that does not twinkle. Just then you can see, just they can see, that means just image, just but they are not shining and they are not twinkling like stars. Observe the cloudless, clearly visible night sky and get the above information confirmed. The better thing is, daytime also you have to go and stay 5 minutes at least. Stay 5 minutes under the sun, and in night time also you have to go outside and you have to observe the night sky and get clear information about these things. Especially you have to go in night time, you have to go if there is a cloudless day. Cloudless, there should be no cloud. If it is a rainy day, that is not that is useless, because there are many more clouds in the sky, so then you have to go cloudless night. You have to find the cloudless night, then you can see many things in the sky. composition of solar system. Now we are going to talk about the creation of solar system. The sun and the other celestial bodies which are formed by gravitational force of the sun belongs to the solar system. Now Putala, now what is the meaning of gravitational force? Especially now we can walk, we can do whatever we like because we can travel here and there. Because why? Because of the gravitational force of the earth. But have you heard about this when Neil Armstrong when he was trying to walk on the moon? So in the moon it doesn't gravitational force like our earth. So he couldn't walk on the moon because we have gravitational force. But is the thing of that the sun and the other celestial bodies which are bound by the gravitational force. Now you can see in this picture, I will show a picture. There are many planets around the sun. So these celestial bodies which are bound by the gravitational force of the sun. The sun is the leader of the solar system. So now we are going to talk about the celestial bodies found in the solar system are listed below. Now we are going to talk about what is the celestial bodies, okay, and the solar system. So the sun, the main body of the solar system, the sun is just like your principal in the school. He is the main person. He has a power to keep you and keep the teachers and other staffs, and he has a very gravitational force to combine these things. He or she is the main person of the solar system. The sun is like the principal. Planets, the largest celestial bodies. There are planets as well. These planets we are calling the staff, including teachers and especially your teachers. We are calling just like largest celestial bodies, okay, and smaller planets or dwarf planets, other staff, other people, those who are helping your teachers. So those we are calling smaller planets or dwarf planets. Then natural satellites of the planets. So just like we can get an example of prefects and those people. Millions of other rock particles or debris. Millions of like your students. This is just like your school, because I am giving this example to get a clear catch of your mind. That's the thing. Okay, so the sun is the main body of the solar system like your principal. Planets are the largest celestial bodies. So among that there are planets just like your teachers in the school. Smaller planets or dwarf planets just like the prefects, or else just like the other helping staff, and natural satellites just like prefects or class monitors. Millions of other rock particles or debris just like you all, that means like students. This is a system. Asteroids, comets, meteoroids. So I am going to talk about these things. Before I go to the topic, I would like to ask a question from you, Putala. Can you stay without the sun? If there is no sun, the whole day takes a gloomy day, takes a place like just like night sky, that means night time. So do you like to stay without the sun? If there is no sun, so can you get the harvest? Can you eat? Can you find the food? No. Can you dry your clothes? No. So can you stay without the sun? No, we can't live without the sun. We are eating, we are getting, especially we are getting our harvest, we are eating vegetables and each and everything. because the help of the sun we are getting many things from the environment. So we are going to learn about the sun. The sun is the main source that provides energy for the existence of life on earth. The sun lies at the center of the solar system. Where's the sun? The sun is in middle of the solar system. The sun is at the middle of the solar system. Okay, a massive amount of heat is generated at core of the sun, a result of fusion and thermonuclear reactions. Okay, that means a massive amount of heat. Sun is just like a fireball. Okay, so massive amount of heat is generated at the core of the sun as a result of fusion and thermonuclear reactions. Because of these thermonuclear reactions of the sun, we get a massive amount of heat. The better thing is, you have to go in daytime. If it is a sunny day, you have to go under the sun and you have to stay 5 minutes under the sun. Then how do you feel it? You feel just like burning, no? Likewise, the temperature of the center of the sun is about 15 million Celsius, while the surface temperature is about 6000 Celsius. Okay, the temperature of the sun is about 15 million Celsius. That is the temperature of the sun, while the surface temperature about 6000 Celsius. So several important facts about the sun are given below. These are the several facts about the sun. Okay, so it holds 99.86% of total mass of the solar system, or the substance that belonging to the whole system. It holds 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system, of substances that belong into the solar system. And the other one is, its extent is 109 times of the diameter of the earth. The diameter is 1.4 million kilometers. Its extent is 109 times. My goodness, it's that much big. The diameter 1.4 million kilometers. Next one, it's a source of energy, and it provides energy and heat to all the planets in the solar system. It is a source of energy and it provides energy and heat to all the planets in the solar system. Putala, it's a source of energy. Okay, as we talked already, sun gives many more things for us, uncountable things. Okay, so it's a source of energy and it provides energy and heat, not only energy, heat to all planets in the solar system, not only for Earth, not only for us. The sun provides energy for all planets in the solar system. Okay, just like your principal, he provides energy to all the teachers and students in the school. This is just like the system of your solar system occur on the surface of the sun, and on such occasions flames would burst out from the sun. Some putalas, that means solar storms, they occur on the surface of the sun. Surface means outside. Just think like this. Your skin is the surface, and inside there are many bones and nerves and many things. Just like solar storms occur on the surface of the sun. It's occur on the surface of the sun, and on such occasions flame would burst out from the sun. So these flames would burst out from the sun. That's the thing, outside. Okay, it burst outside. Last one of this lesson, the sun revolves around its own axis. Can you all remember what is the revolution and rotation, Putala? The time taken for one rotation is 24 25.4 Earth days. Usually, the sun also revolves around its own axis. So, the time taken for one rotation is 25.4 Earth days. You have to underline this. So now from these pictures you can see the sun and the coronal lobes that gives out heat on the sun's surface. I explained this already, because here now you can see here sun and the coronal lobes that gives out heat on the sun's surface. Now you can see here this one, as I mentioned you already, Putala, I explained this. Solar storms occur on the surface on the sun, and on such occasions flames would burst from the out from the sun. These things I explained, these things, surface of the sun, these things we are calling coronal lobes that gives the heat on the sun's surface. Knowledge from this lesson. So from my next video clip I hope to come with planets. Thank you for watching me.